Let's see how to change photo to gold. Let's get started. After you selected your subject, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Go to the image menu, Adjustments, and click on Black and White. Press Ctrl J to duplicate layer, and change the mode to difference. Now press Ctrl I to invert the layer. Select the two layers together and press Ctrl E to merge. Now press Ctrl J and do the same one more time. Now it's time to change the metal color to gold. Go to Adjustment and click on Gradient Map. In here, choose a gold color. You can use this color code as well. Now mask the gradient map to the layer. Select both and convert to Smart Object for applying some filters. Now go to Filter menu, Blur, Surface Blur. Change the radius up to make it a little bit softer. Go to Filter menu, Stylize, and click on Oil Paint. Here we go to Filter Gallery. Choose the Plastic Warp. In here double-click on Adjustment Settings of Filter Gallery. Change the mode to Color Dodge, and reduce the opacity. In this section we add a little shine at the edge of the subject. Delete this layer, we didn't need it. That was just a backup. Now add some background effect. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. You can subscribe Ali Yasser graphic channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks.